In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add your Instagram link to your Twitter profile. Adding your Instagram link to your Twitter bio is a great way to increase your followers and connect with a wider audience. By doing this, you can easily direct your Twitter followers to your Instagram profile and share your content with them. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Share Profile button. And then tap on the Copy Link button. Now you've copied the link of your Instagram profile. What you want to do now is paste this link in your Twitter bio. To do that, exit the Instagram app and open up the X or Twitter app. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top left. Then tap Profile. Tap on the Edit Profile button. And then long press where it says Add your website. And then paste the Instagram profile link. Tap Save at the top right to save changes. As you can see, now, my Twitter bio is displaying the link to my Instagram account. And if I tap on it, it will take me straight to my Instagram profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.